Alright, so today we're going to be talking about a phone holder. It is a simple magnetic phone holder. Comes in a nice little box. And let's see what we got. So we actually have a mount that you can stick someplace. It's got a nice sticky back so that you can just throw it up. It says go ahead and clean the surface before putting it on, of course. Press adhesive base for 10 seconds. And then it says, please wait 6 hours before using the product to make sure that it adheres. So they want to make sure that this thing actually sticks before you actually start putting pressure on it and it peels off. So let this thing sit for a while. So there's a little bit of prep involved in that. It does click and turn, so you can get that specific direction that you're looking for. That's kind of nice. It also comes with one of those vent holders again. So if you twist it, see if I can show this. If you twist it, it goes in and out to clip itself onto a vent inside of your car. I'm not a big fan of those, but if it works for you, go ahead and use it. All right, and the next thing we have this, and that is, it's got a thing here so that whenever you put this in, it clips in, and then you twist it to lock it in so that you can adjust it and then twist it a little bit more to really lock it in, and then it won't actually move from where you put it. So that's kind of nice. And I think the idea behind this is, and it's one of the reasons why I bought it, is this here is actually wider than your charging ring. Actually, no, it should just fit right on your charging ring. Let's see here. And that's magnetic, so it just goes to the back of your phone. Now, let me go ahead and don't have... Alright, so I threw on an old case that I had. I just wanted to see if it sticks, and it won't. So you got to make sure of that. But there's one more thing in the box. That's the metal piece for your case. So they gave you one. So there you go. My metal piece, their metal piece. It's going to be the same thing. So it just fits right on there. And that thing has a ridiculous... It's actually pulling, because I pulled this thing off. It's actually pulling the metal piece off. That is really strong. That's impressive. So it also comes with some cleaning wipes and this is for on top of your dash. You put this down first, and then you put this on top of that so that you don't ruin your dash. So it's nice to have that. So if you have a dash that has a lot of ridges and stuff in it, it's best to use that little piece of plastic. So that's very cool. I'm actually going to be using this as a secondary mount for my wife. It'll be on her side so that when we're traveling down the road, she can just set it up there and listen to videos or whatever, because we do a lot of traveling. So I'm going to mount that. Of course, don't mount it over top of where your airbag is, please. You don't want to have that thing exploding and shooting back in your face. But it's super cool, and I like the ring. The ring's kind of neat. But it looks like this here is plastic, and this out here is metal, which means you'll have more of a surface for it to hold on to, and then you should be able to charge through this. So that's kind of neat. Good idea. So check them out. Simple little design, really nice ideas about what they've done to this. I think that they have overcome some of the issues that a lot of other little holders have. So check them out.